You first. This is KIMT Storm Team 3. Weather coverage you can count on.
Well, welcome back, everyone. Starting things off with a live look over Mason City for multiple reasons. If you look really closely, occasionally the camera will start to shake a little bit, and that's because the winds are beginning to increase as the very tip of the iceberg of this complex spring storm heads our way. Now, I also might notice that some of the roadways, even the rooftops, looking a tiny bit wet. There could be a little bit of sprinkling going on there. Difficult to see on the camera exactly. However, the radar is picking up on a little bit of green, also a little bit of blue, indicating the possibility of snow in some places. We'll get to that in a moment, though. First, a look at temperatures. That's going to be an interesting point here over the course of the next, I'd say, 72 hours, watching these temperatures fluctuate. Some places a little further to the south could get very, very warm, while some places to the north stay cool. As of right now, we're still pretty close. 37 degrees in Rochester, Austin, Owatonna, Albert Lea, 38 in Mason City, already in the 40s in Charles City. And yes, these temperatures will be going up over the course of the next couple hours. Some of us, again, a little warmer than others, otherwise staying pretty steady around that 40-degree mark, with the clouds sticking around, with the chance for some light rain and the occasional on and off shower. Now on to the satellite and radar. Again, very beginnings of this spring storm moving in, and we are starting to see a little bit of that blue show up on the map. Now, as it's falling, maybe more of the ice crystals, more of the snowfall, but when it drops down, probably melting as it hits the ground in places like Albert Lea, Austin, Rochester. Now we are starting to see the transition in Albert Lea too, picking up on a little more of that green color. Same with what we're seeing in Mason City. Now this is going to continue here over the course of the next couple hours, and really start to kick things off as we get later into tonight and tomorrow. So here it is, kind of picking up on that band as it slowly makes its way northward. This is about an hour from now, coming into more of our northern counties. And then a lot of the precipitation is going to be hanging out here in the northeast corner. This is around 5 p.m. Maybe a few sprinkles, on and off showers can be found. The activity really starts to pick up again as we get later on into tonight. This is around 10 p.m. and I'm going to fast forward into our Friday morning. On and off showers, even the occasional thunderstorm is possible overnight on Friday. Rain timeline, just another way of looking at it. The chances do continue as we go into tomorrow morning and into the overnight as temperatures stay right around that 40-degree mark. Now we're fast forwarding to about 24 hours from now. Friday afternoon, that's when the severe weather starts to pick up. This is around 3 p.m. We're seeing some of those pockets of the deep red color there trying to form a band. This is 5 p.m. and by 6 p.m. starting to move out, but the threat still lingers. After that, the next threat comes our way. That is the chance for snow. Now, a quick look at the severe weather risk here as we head into Friday afternoon. Still seeing plenty of that orange. That is a level 3 risk, with the risks getting a little lesser as you go further to the north. But all forms of severe weather will be possible. We're really watching out for those strong, damaging winds. Then the snow comes our way. A winter storm watch goes into effect 7 p.m. Friday to 1 p.m. Saturday. 3 to 6 inch threat there for the areas that were in the blue. That's looking to stay to the north of our area. And my goodness, I need to take a breath, Annalise. Here on the 7-day forecast, we've got that red day for Friday, the severe weather day. Temperatures drop on Saturday, the snowy day, and then after that, we're back into the mid-50s by Sunday.
Just got to get through the next few days.
Oh man, it's going to be quite interesting from a meteorological standpoint.
Thank you, Sarah.